Have you been wondering what is a good starting amount for a beginner trader? Was your first thought, let me start small and maybe put more funds in the future? Let's debunk a common myth that investing small amounts will keep you safe and check the pros and cons. Starting with a smaller amount like 1,000 rands presents significant challenges that may hinder your trading success. With such a small amount, your account could quickly lose value if a single trade goes against you. Insufficient balance to sustain market fluctuations increases the risk of liquidation, potentially wiping out your account in one trade. With a 1,000 rands, it's tough to diversify. Limited funds mean you might not spread your investments well, missing out on the chance to lower risks across different areas. On the other hand, initiating your trading venture with a larger sum, such as 5,000 rands and above, provides a solid foundation for success in the financial markets. You would have more flexibility to explore diverse trading, trade across multiple markets, and experiment with various strategies to maximize your returns. A larger starting balance also means greater profit potential and allows more effective risk management. Choose your starting amount wisely, considering your financial goals and risk tolerance. Remember, disciplined risk management is key to long-term success in trading. Sign up if you want to be contacted from a regulated company in South Africa.